How to create professional voiceover videos using ChatGPT, Speechify, and Canva in this detailed tutorial. I'll guide you step by step through my entire process of creating professional and engaging voiceover videos using ChatGPT-generated content, audio from Speechify, and visual editing in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll clearly understand how to create short videos around 75 words and longer videos approximately 250 words. Step 1. Finding and selecting reliable information. The first step toward creating high-quality content is finding accurate and trustworthy sources. My strategy involves selecting stories or news articles from recognized professional media outlets. Typically, I prefer outlets that offer quality images but don't produce their own video content. This ensures I have strong visual material without competing against existing videos. Some of my recommended sources include Reuters, Associated Press, Harper's Bazaar, BBC, Forbes, Vanity Fair. Using reputable sources ensures accuracy and credibility, which are crucial for capturing and retaining your audience's attention. Step 2. Rewriting and personalizing content with ChatGPT. Once you've selected your article or news story, copy the text and open a new chat with ChatGPT. This step allows your creativity and content strategy to shine. Clearly define how you want ChatGPT to rewrite the content. For instance, you might request adjusting the tone formal, informal, friendly, optimizing readability, simpler language, shorter paragraphs, adding personality, humor, storytelling, emotional appeal, incorporating clickbait or SEO-focused styles, specifying the length. A short description of about 75 words or a longer one around 250 words. Your instruction could look like this. Rewrite this news story in a conversational style ideal for YouTube. Keep it about 250 words. Make it SEO-friendly, emotionally engaging, and highly personalized. This ensures you'll receive engaging, relatable, and optimized content designed to maximize viewer retention. Step 3. Generating voiceover using Speechify. Next is creating the voiceover audio. For this, I use Speechify, a reliable and professional text-to-speech platform. Setting up Speechify, create your account, visit Speechify.com and sign up. Open the editor workspace in Speechify. Creating your voiceover? Copy the ChatGPT-generated text. Paste it directly into Speechify's editor. Choose a preferred voice, natural, clear English voices like US or UK. Adjust the reading speed, pitch, and tone to match your content's emotional intent. Preview the audio to ensure clarity and professionalism. Once satisfied, download your audio file, typically an MP3. Speechify's high-quality audio significantly enhances your final product and provides a pleasant listening experience for your viewers. Step 4. Gathering and using relevant images. The next crucial step involves obtaining quality images for your video. Typically, I download and use the same images provided alongside the original news article. These images accurately represent the video's content and help viewers better understand the context. Using relevant and high-quality images significantly enhances your video's visual appeal, professionalism, and audience engagement. It is also extremely important to respect copyright laws. Always clearly credit the original source and the photographers when publishing. Proper attribution not only respects the photographer's efforts but also protects you from copyright issues. Step 5. Composing and editing your video in Canva. Now, move on to the visual editing phase using Canva, a user-friendly and effective video editing platform. Choosing your video format, log into your Canva account. Choose your desired video format. Vertical, shorts, mobile, usually 1080 x 1920. Landscape, standard, YouTube, typically 1920 x 1080. Preparing visuals, upload the selected images from your source, edit and upscale the images directly within Canva for clarity and quality. Arrange your images sequentially to match the voiceover narration. Adding audio elements, upload the MP3 voiceover file from Speechify into Canva. Align the images precisely with your narration for perfect synchronization. Add subtle background music from Canva's built-in library, ensuring it complements rather than overpowers your voiceover. Final touches, captions, and fine adjustments. Use Canva's built-in caption tool to add subtitles, improving accessibility and viewer retention. Review the video multiple times, making minor adjustments for smooth transitions, readability of captions, and overall visual attractiveness. Ensure your final product appears professional, engaging, and synchronized effectively. Step 6. Publishing and analyzing performance will be explained in the next tutorial. After exporting your video from Canva, upload it directly to YouTube. Monitoring your video's performance afterward is essential for ongoing success.